Hey Byron, Neil here at Country Ford. Thanks so much for the phone call. I thought I'd just show you this 2019 F-350 Limited. So you can see the rims here, those are brand new. Customer put aftermarket rims on this vehicle day one. So these rims have actually never seen any gravel, they've never seen any highway. We swapped them out the day he bought it and swapped them back on the day he brought it back in. So we're gonna do a quick command start here. Vehicle's going. We got the quad beam LED headlights on the vehicle, some chrome accessories, a lift kit, the fender flares there on the vehicle, and we'll have a look inside. And that's the dark, the dark with the beige leather interior. This is a limited F-350, full moonroof, as you can see there, and every available feature. We got outfitter switches in here, heated massage seats, unbelievable. Have a look in the back. The older couple that owns these vehicles, they get a brand new one every year. They don't have children. Very likely this vehicle's probably never had anyone sitting in the back seat. Spray-in box liner done at Ford. Fifth wheel prep package there. You can see the window, and we've got some chrome features here on the weld on the back as well. The Super Duty F-350. There's the Platinum, sold. Country Ford and Wilkie, our motto here is drive a little, save a lot, Byron. This is a 2019 F-350, fully loaded, limited at Country Ford and Wilkie. Price is $82,000. Give me a call. It's Neil at Country Ford and Wilkie, 843-2684. That's area code 306-843-2684.